Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. If you are new and you are interested to learn Kuchipudi from the beginning through YouTube videos, you can just check the playlist which I have linked down below so that you can learn the first previously taught 1 to 30 steps. Now this is the 31st step I'm teaching today, and if you're interested to do the online classes, you can always contact me through WhatsApp number or Instagram or Facebook. So you can find all those links in the description box below, and please do subscribe if you really want to see some good dance videos as well as the tutorials. Every Sunday I promise you to post the tutorial videos. It might be either on Sundays or on Saturdays. So I want you guys to hit the notification bell as well. So now let's get into the video. So today we are going to learn 31st step. As usual, we'll see the legs first, then the hands, and then the whole step. So let's go. For the legs of this step, we go in V-shaped bending position and we raise our toe on the count of 1. 1, 2, we'll tap the right leg. 2, then 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do the same on the left side as well. By raising on the toe 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We raise the toe, tap it back to the V shape, again we raise it, we repeat the same thing 4 times a side, which means we will complete a round of 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let's see the hands. Okay, for the hands, we put our hands in Kataka Mukha Hasta, and in this step we have to bend towards the side which we are doing. If we are doing the right leg, then we bend towards the right in the slanting way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to Kataka Mukha Hasta. Then on this side we do as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you guys understood. We are going from Kataka Mukha Hasta to Padma Kosha. When we are back, we look at the hands and we'll change to Kataka Mukha Hasta. Then we go same towards the left. So now let's see the whole step. For the whole step, we go into V-shaped bending position, putting our hands as usual in front of the chest. Make sure your shoulders and elbows are in the straight line, and we bend towards the right and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hope you guys understood this step. Hope you guys understood today's step, and please make sure you see the all 30 steps, then come back to this step instead of learning from here. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. See you guys with the next tutorial video or a performance video in the next week.